Hello everybody, this is Tara. Tara's Traveling Paints. I'm trying to get it so I have good lighting. Just give me a moment. I'm going to turn some stuff on here. Maybe good lighting. Oh, certainly bright. Okay, that's good. Okay, so guys, yeah, I can't stop. I just can't stop. How's everybody doing today? I did do one painting today already. Still not in love with it, so I don't know what's going to happen with this. But I decided to continue. I got a 14 by 14 canvas in front of me, and I'm really kind of excited about what happened here yesterday. Okay, so I did that yesterday. It's an ocean shoreline, but I wanted to try a wave. So I figured, hey, why not try a wave, right? Hey, oh, hey. And I do have one more color I want to add. So my colors here today are Admiral Blue, Ultramarine, Sky Blue with a little metallic in it, Teal, that was mixed with leftovers from yesterday's. Not teal, Caribbean. I've got some white. This is the Admiral Blue. Super dark, really pretty. Really pretty. And I decided to add this Viridian Green. Because I'm going for Atlantic Ocean. I'm not going for Caribbean Ocean. I want it to have a lot of depth. So I should have a sip of water. And I am going to use some gold for sunshine. This might be not thin enough. I'm going to use a blow dryer to do this as well. I think I need a little bit of water in here. And I'm not using very much pouring medium. I'm actually just using like a drop of the Liquitex gloss. Just because I like the finish, you know, and if you don't want to have to finish your paintings, use that just a little bit in each cup. And that's still not quite. I don't know how it's going to come out. I've never done a wave before like this. It's not going to be like all the other waves you've seen out there with acrylic pouring, because I want it to be kind of like the whole painting. I don't want a lot of negative space. Okay, that's pretty good. Let me add the, probably already has some in it, but a little more can't hurt. And so let me, oh, did you hear my stomach? I think it's time to eat. So I just go, that's it. Just a little. And it really glosses up the paint. Let me see if you can see one that's got that. Okay. This one here has gloss, that pouring medium in the paint. Can you see that? Can you see the shine? So it doesn't need to be finished. And I'll show you one that does not have any gloss. This has no gloss, so it's kind of flat. And I didn't finish it. I haven't sprayed it or put anything on it. I think I'm going to experiment when I'm done with this painting with using that as a varnish. Okay, I'm really bad at getting pictures straight. I think this one up here, I'm going to use that as a varnish. I'm going to brush it on. Why not? So, let me get into the plan here. I'm going to tilt you down and show you what my plan is. I don't know if my plan's going to work, but I'm going to try. I'm going to try. So, let me go ahead and get you tilted. I want you to see. That's pretty good. Are you too far down? I can move you closer. Don't know if you're getting too much shadow. There we go. I think that's pretty good. So my plan is to really bring this wave all the way through it. I don't want a lot of negative space. And I'm a little scared of this. So I don't even know where to start. I think I'll start with dark colors and work my way in. So I'm going to go with the darkest, which is the Admiral Blue. And I'm just going to pour. I'm not going to try and go crazy. This is very liquidy, which is great. And a little bit more over here. I did watch a couple of videos before I started this endeavor, just for fun and to learn. I don't feel like I'm going to be very similar, you know? I just don't feel that happening. I just don't see it happening that way. So let me try and get this Admiral Blue around. Now I'm doing a Dutch pour with this. So these colors are going to mix, and I'm just hoping that I don't want it to be the same as everyone's, but I do want it to be obvious what it is, and I want you to be happy with it, and I want to be happy with it. And so that's my story, Morning Glories. Then the aquamarine, or the ultramarine, really pretty blue, super beautiful. Look at that. It's kind of purplish almost. So let's go ahead and get some of that in here. And I'll come up this way with it. Might have gone too far there, but I was having a hard time stopping. But if I want this to be one of those super waves, it's going to be okay. It's going to be okay, guys. No matter what, this is going to be a beautiful painting. This I'm sure of. Because anything nautical is beautiful, eh? Alright. I think I'll go in with this green, the Viridian. I think it's beautiful. And because I'm putting the green in here, it might give me some more of that teal that is my favorite color as it blows. I did not put any silicone in this. I just realized it. I don't know if that's good or bad, but we're going to not worry about that because it's a Dutch pour and I'm going to get awesomeness out of that. Anyway, it's just the way it's going to be. I've just decided. So I'll go in with this lighter Caribbean color. Let's go ahead. I'm kind of excited about this. I think it might be, it's already creating cells without any silicone. That's fabulous news. And then, I might just have just the right amount. Okay, now I have sky blue with a little bit of metallic. And I want to kind of get that on the outside of this here. A little in here. Maybe some in there. drizzle it around inside these colors. And yeah, I gotta eat. I'm gonna have to have lunch after this. Baby Cakes is sleeping. I think he has a touch of food poisoning. We just make too big of projects and we keep it too long. And even when food smells good, like it's not bad, it may not be the case all the time. Okay. Put a little of this gold over here. I gotta be careful because this will take over if I don't go thin enough. Maybe a little bit in here. Maybe a little bit right there. Slow, Tara. All right. Let me move this away because I don't want to spill it on the other artwork I've done. And then now we got white. And I don't know if I have enough. But first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to drizzle it in here. Just because we used to have white. And I don't want to waste it because I might have to make more. Just make sure she moves. Is all. I want to see some movement. All right, so wish me luck here because this I feel is going to be the most difficult part to get this correct. Because I can't go too light. I need this paint to move. I did prep the canvas with white, just plain white. I just wanted to do that. I'm trying to think. Should I go ahead and mix some more white right now? I don't think I'm going to need to. I think this is going to take over. I think this paint is going to flow and it's going to be great. That's my goal. Just make sure I got it, all of it. Because if I'm concerned about not having enough, I better use it all, right? I'm hoping this is like the best one I've ever done. That's all I know. That's what I want. I feel it in my soul. Let me go ahead and get these cups out of the way so they don't blow around, because I always forget to do that. And there's enough. There's just like drips of each one, so if I need to go put some little drips in, I can. It'll be okay. That's out of the way. And now, here's the test of truth, and I'm terrified. Did I watch enough videos? Did I see enough action? Did I learn enough about this? I don't know. But I'm going to try. I'm going to blow it up a little. Let's go ahead and get started. Let's just do it. Jump in, Tara, jump in. Okay, I'm madly in love so far. But I do need to use this sweet little tool here. I just want to get some more of this paint up off here. Those edges. Okay. Oh, pretty. Let me see. Use the pants. Terrifying right here. You know why it's so scary? Because I really like it right the way it is, and I don't want to ruin it. So I have to do some thinking while I clean up my edges. And oh God, it's pretty. Just a little bit of gold. I did good. Wondering. And the green is, oh, excellent. I come over here and make a decision about that little spot. I think maybe I'll just add a little bit more white right there. I will have to probably pour a little white. Nothing crazy. It is really pretty. Wow. Guys. Good Lord. Let me see if I can get a little white in there. Maybe white and sky blue together in that little spot. Yeah, I'll try that. I think I'll put the sky blue in with the white and then add some water and mix. Shit, that's really pretty. I don't know if you noticed my blow dryer, it doesn't come out the center, it just comes out the side, so I have to really get in there good. Maybe I'll put a little of this teal in there. Yeah. I don't have any like glue all or Floetrol, so I'm just using water. So I didn't make a lot of paint because I struggle with that a little bit. Almost feel like I need more of that Admiral blue over here. I do feel that way. Maybe a little bit more of that green too. Maybe things are just getting started. Could be. Let me get that in there. I do love the effect of this green. So I'm gonna play. I'm gonna go ahead and play. Don't worry, I won't ruin it. It's just gonna get better. I can feel it. Just a little bit there. A bit more right here. I'm not going to need water. I'm not going to need it. No, sir. Oh, don't touch the painting. I think I got enough to push. All right. I'm wondering, let me play with a straw first before I go crazy. Dramatic. Holy shit. Okay. So I'm going to go on low, because I don't want to move a lot of the rest of the painting, but I do want to move some more of that. Let's try it. Oh. Oh. Guys, this is insane. Okay, time for some heat. I was watching people swipe these waves. I'm like, oh, don't trust that right now. I do want to move this white more. There we go. Yeah, much better. I didn't want that big blob of white. Just don't, I'm not big on the empty space, so just not big on it. and I don't think it would feel good. So this is really moving. That's a serious wave. And I absolutely love it. And I think I need to bring you in for a closer look. I didn't touch anything with that. No, okay, good. Whew. I always get too close. So let me see if I can pop any little ones. Get some more yum yums here. No silicone, tons of cells, beautiful lacing. Drama wave. Oh my god. And you know, I need one of those little glass pens that you can use with ink, because I really, from what I see, it really does some magic. Just get a little bit more action going. Not too much, Tara. Don't go crazy. Oh, there's some spots here that are just really great. Let's see, tilt a little. Don't touch the top. Just a little tilt. Not much, just a little bit. Wow. Oh. All right, it's time to come out. Let me try. Well, since I didn't use silicone, I don't think I'm going to get a lot of small cells by popping the hole, so I'm not going to worry about it. I mean, just get over that, because I did not use silicone. I'm going to come over here and bring you guys in. This is a 14 by 14 drama wave. I don't even know what to think about it, but I love it. And hope you do too. Let me get from where I believe the bottom is. That doesn't mean that's the truth. Whoever ends up with this painting is going to put it up however they want. But this, to me, is where the bottom of the wave is. It comes up. And it gets dramatic. You see a little bit of the golden sunshine coming through, reflecting. It is really, really beautiful. All right, guys. Let's get into some details here. What? I really love these deep blues. I think I'm gonna go crazy. Oh, I got shadow. Sorry, guys. All right. I want to thank you so much for hanging out with me. Please, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Share it. Leave me a comment. It really helps out my channel. And if you're interested in any of my art that you see on this channel or from my fan page or business page or whatever, let me know, and we will work out how to get that painting on your wall. And also, if you want to just be supportive and be kind of like a Patreon or somebody that just wants to encourage my artistic endeavors, I take tips. I'm not shy, and that's over at Venmo, and that's Tara-Woodruff-71. Just let me know. I want to thank you so much for hanging out with me today, and you have a beautiful day. Bye.